So today I'm replacing my Chinese car stereo. It's actually not pretty good because there's no sound or equalizer on this, and the time is like always Eastern time. You cannot set the time on this one. It's just a terrible radio. It's nice. It's plug and play. Everything works. I mean, it's actually designed for BMW, but this radio is crap. It's pretty bad. Um, yeah, you don't even need like a microphone, external microphone, because it already has one, and then it also has a GPS, but the GPS is actually Chinese. Just going to turn down the AC. It's not a bad looking radio. It's actually nice. It fits well. Actually, yeah, there's some fitment issues because. So here's the problem. Like the Bluetooth, you always have to like reconnect, set it up again, which is terrible. And then it has a navigation. See that? Yep, it's a Codus navigator. And the navigation works. I mean, you could, yep, see that one? Yep. The problem is the menu is so limited. Like, see, it has like TV. See, it has like menu there, but it's very limited. It's like GPS, DVD. I don't know. I mean, so that's a band. Yeah, you have this all stuff, but there's really nothing to choose. There's a Bluetooth menu. Let me see. Can't figure out anymore how to select. Oh, I don't know. And the time too is like always like Eastern time. DVD. I cannot even go to like TV or I think I set up the Bluetooth. Radio. Right now I'm on radio. Yeah, this is the worst part of it. Yeah, that's why I hated this. I hated this radio. There's just no options for you here. Yep. Anyway, I'm going to take it out and replace it with the Pioneer AVIC NEX 5100. That's way better. Okay, I got my harness in. So basically, just match the colors, and this brown wires doesn't go anywhere. You don't match with my adapter here, with my harness here, and my backup camera is just over here with the power, and my GPS antenna is actually got this old one, got a different terminal at the back, so I'm gonna replace it. So what I'm going to do now is just test if this works. There you go. Pioneer loading. to set this up. Okay, so it's working now. Yep. So what I'm going to do is just cut off the trims here so that it will fit in. Then put the wiring for the backup camera, and then the GPS antenna. I don't have to worry about the mic. I don't have the mic when I bought this. So it seems to be working fine. Map. Oh, no GPS antenna. Okay. So we got the apps here. Got the USB one, TV, Bluetooth audio. Oh, camera view, Sirius XM. Okay, trying to figure out like the settings for the sound. Like okay, it looks like the speaker seems to be working, so I don't have to worry about it. Yeah, I want to like do the speaker setup somehow. The antenna, the GPS antenna, fish in. It just goes over here. I need to remove this knee bolster. There's just like screws over here and then over here. And then this one is for the reverse camera that already exists. So I'll just have to. Yeah, there's like a wire in here that I could like tie this one, and we're good to go. So I have it rerouted over there. Okay, I got all the wires connected. The reason why I have like lots of heat shrink there because I have to like redo this connector. The adapter that I have is actually wrong type. So yeah, there's actually like a rounded pins. This one has the flat ones, so I have to cut that one and then reconnect again. So it's basically the same stuff. You just match the colors. You're okay with that. I mean, it's foolproof. And then what I did is, since this one doesn't belong to the adapter harness, I just looked for my junkyard stuff in here in my house, and I found some airbag connector so that I could easily pull it out by just disconnected it instead of like soldering the wire, because if you solder the wire, yeah, it's gonna be hard to disconnect this unit if you want to like service it. So this is what happened. So the other end connects to the power source for the backup camera. It's the reverse signal actually. Basically in BMWs they have this iBus adapter that connects to this one, but since this one is an aftermarket, you don't have that, so there's no brake signal. I mean reverse signal. So this one, when you install the backup camera, it provides you with a positive terminal for the reverse voltage. So I'm just going to connect it and then test fit this. So I didn't put it all the way in yet because I still need to test the reverse camera if it works. Let's see. So I got the Bluetooth here set up. I'll probably try the map. Okay, so map is loading. Oh, Navi. Yeah, think I need to reset it because this one is like oh, this one, map. Oh, it's still loading, but my Bluetooth is working though. Yep, that's where am I? So it's working. Let me try the reverse. Cool. Oh, there's nothing in there. I think I forgot to put the video in. Yep, I forgot to put the video in on the backup camera input. Okay, another try. Reverse. Hey, got video. Yep. Oh, it's kind of funny because the I got like double lines in here because the my camera actually has 1, 2. I think this is the one from the head unit. But yep, it's working. Nice. Oh, forward. Cool. So actually there's lots of stuff on this one, like the graphic equalizer. Yep, so I could do that. Bluetooth, yep, I could do the Bluetooth video signal. Yeah, you don't usually use that one, but yeah, there's a lot of stuff on this one, so I'm gonna put it and we'll try volume. Oh, we'll try AM FM. Let me try AV radio. Okay, we're gonna stop this one before I got copyright violation. So everything works. I like this Pioneer than the old Chinese stuff there. Yeah, this trim is actually like ugly, but yeah, it's being compensated by my fancy AVIC 500 5100 NEX. This is a really inexpensive head unit, considering that it has Bluetooth and GPS navigation and backup camera, and it's only for $75. Then I bought a $29 adapter with trim, which actually has the wrong connector in it. Luckily I have the old one there, so I just like cannibalized that one and then put it here. So far my BMW X5 is looking good. Well, I pushed the trim down. It seems to be okay, but it doesn't like really locked on both sides. This side doesn't really lock, but probably down here probably it got locked, but it seems that this is rather very flimsy. Yeah, I think a like a $30 trim in Amazon. Somehow I'll probably need to put some adhesive in here to make this trim fit, or maybe over time it will just expand and compress and basically will fit properly. There's rubber in here that make the trim fit or tight. Yep, so far so good. I'm done with this.